Have you seen this advertised in your social media account? Then watch this video if you want to cart this device. Well, purchasing an Apple smartwatch is a bit expensive. If your budget is under $50, then consider this device. By the way, I purchased this on Temu. This is Cyberdyer T96 2-in-1 smartwatch, which means it has an TWS earphone at the same time smartwatch. And the manual says it has IP67 waterproof rating, with 400 mAh battery capacity. So let's check later if this is correct. But before that, I will be unboxing first. Inside the box is this information paper about the device, and 2 user manual with different language translation. And of course the smartwatch, but let's check this later. And this small box for accessories, and inside of it is the charging at the same time a data cable with magnetic pin style to standard USB port. Make it sure you're using a power adapter that doesn't exceed to 5 volts and 1 ampere. You may transfer songs from computer to smartwatch, but be reminded that it has 100 megabyte data storage capacity only. And with extra silicone earbuds. And the device. Well, first impression, the build quality is premium made, and the design is great. On this side are the buttons. The upper part is function or menu key, down is the power button. On this side are the earphones. Well, don't worry, this earphones is interchangeable. It will fit vice versa. These earphones are supported by magnetic function. Underneath are the magnetic data and charging port and the sensor. So the screen size is 1.52 inches, which uses an IPS color screen. And believe me, it is really clear, seems like an AMOLED display. And this QR code will be used in binding the device and the app. Download the app, Fit Cloud Pro. You can scan the QR code in the manual or search in Google Play or Apple Store. If you wanted to change the clock display function, make it sure it is in clock display homepage. Then do long press till it appears the different options. To wake up the screen, you may short press the power button or lift your wrist. This button is for menu or function key, and you may change the display settings depending upon your preferences. Go to Settings and press Menu Style. And these are the samples. In Home page, swipe left to access some of the menu functions. So I can make call using my smartwatch. Still in the Home page, swipe from top to access the non-disturbance mode, screen adjustment, settings, find my phone, volume, and the voice assistant. Swipe from down to access messages. Still in Home page, if you swipe from right, you will access the music page, heart rate page, and etc. If you wanted to play music save in your smartwatch, press Mode, then select Watch Music. Then if you wanted to play it in Bluetooth speaker, press Bluetooth, and find available Bluetooth device. And here are the samples of music stored in smartwatch, and check as well how it sounds like. So how was that? And if you wanted to delete this sounds and change your preferred music, you need computer or laptop. But be reminded that it has only 100 megabytes storage capacity only. And if you wanted to control over your smartphone, press Mode again and select Control Phone Music. But be reminded, in my test it works only this function to YouTube and Spotify. TikTok or Facebook and Instagram it doesn't work. And by using the earphones, this touch key serves as answering calls by double tapping. If you're playing music, double tap to pause or play, then long press to select next or previous songs, and to increase the volume do triple tap the touch key. This earphone, small yet powerful. In my test, I was amazed with the sound quality, and I didn't expect the battery endurance. It is absolutely amazing. Because the earphones are supported by magnetic function, so it is impossible that this will be removed from its compartment if we will think just a normal movement of our wrist. Don't be so complacent, anything might happen. There's no extra support aside from magnetic function. Another feature that I like it too is when I raise my wrist it will automatically turn on the screen. This is great feature especially when I am riding on my bike, but make it sure to enable that feature in the app. Aside from that feature, if you misplace the device, either the phone or the smartwatch. But the problem with this function, it works only to locate my phone. The phone will vibrate at do an alarm music. The smartwatch will light only even though I changed the settings already. To find or to locate your misplaced smartphone, press this icon in the smartwatch. And to locate your smartwatch, press this function. But as I told earlier that the smartwatch will just light up, no vibrations and sounds, even though I changed the settings of this feature. And this icon is for setting the vibration and sound of the smartwatch, but still not working. And this shake photograph function works only if you open this FitCloud Pro app, not the main camera app of the smartphone. Well, in my own opinion, this 2-in-1 smartwatch is one of the option for hassle-free gadgets. Come to think of it, bringing separately the headset is sometimes inconvenient. The earphones is already on your wrist. It's an easy access if you wanted to answer calls or listening music. I don't think we need to rely this medical app, as the manual says to quote. This app is not a medical device. Data obtained during the use of the app is for preference only, and should not be used for clinical diagnosis, medical research, or treatment purposes. By the way, this is not an Android device. You will just be notified if someone sends you messages through Facebook or WhatsApp or any social media platform. You still need to open your smartphone to read it. So to check if this has 400 mAh battery capacity, I will be using this tester. Just a disclaimer, if you think my test is wrong, you may comment down below. And a reminder for first-time usage, try to fully charge first. The manual says use a power adapter that doesn't exceed the 5 volts and 1 ampere. In rainy day, and even washing my hands, it survives my test. But wearing this while swimming or taking bath, I really don't recommend it. Taking care of our devices helps to prolong the life of it. Indeed, what is written in the box or in the manual is correct. And for how many days I'm using it, I guarantee that the endurance of the battery is superb. All I can say, this is worth buying for. And that's it. If you reach till this video watching, thank you so much. Your comments and suggestions is highly appreciated, and please do subscribe and like as well. And please don't skip the ads, this really helpful my channel.